Cool. Now let's move on to see how we can set up search ads on AdWords. First, go back to your AdWords main dashboard. And here, we're going to click on this red campaign button. Choose Search Network with Display Select. You can also choose Search Network only, but when you choose Search Network with Display Select, you can get the most reach. So I would recommend that you begin with this and test out your performance. And now what you see over here is the different networks you can choose and the devices, locations, and languages you can specifically target. And let's see if we can choose Spanish as well, and maybe not. Let's just choose English only. And for bidding as well, for our exercise here, let's choose CPC manual. And I would usually begin with manual CPC again with a very small bidding amount and constantly see the performance to further optimize the bidding amount in the following days. And let's choose 15 bucks per day as our budget for now. And then move on. And here you are creating your ad groups. An ad group contains one or more ads and a set of related keywords. So what you do here is basically typing in your landing page and seeing if you can get suggestions from Google. So for our grocerynow.com example, because it's a imaginary website right now, it doesn't give us any ad group idea. But when you type in a website like udemy.com, it will scan the website and give you a list of ad group ideas which you can use right away. So you can use keywords like online degrees and online programs as well. But for our exercise, let's go back to our grocerynow.com and manually type in a couple keywords that you hope to target. Now you can get much more sophisticated with these keyword selection, which we'll cover in the later stage. But for now, let's choose keywords like organic groceries, grocery delivery, and also add another buy groceries ad group. And this will give us more ideas that we can test for our ad groups. Take a look at the keywords here. Feel free to change them if you find anything that's not reasonable. Continue, and here you can actually create your own ads. So for each ad group, for all the keywords that we selected, you will create different ads targeting those specific ad groups. So for the first ad group, which is organic groceries, let's begin with fresh groceries at your door. And you can use a sub headline like best local food in town and provide a description that goes like get your favorite items in 1 hour. Now here you can copy to more ad groups. So if you choose all the other ad groups, you can basically run the same ad to the entire ad groups. But for more effective deliveries and more relevant ads, let's move on to create a separate ad specifically targeting that ad group. So for the buy groceries ad group, we can do the same thing, but slightly tweaking the headline and description to make it more relevant. So for headline, we'll say something like get groceries in 1 hour. Sub headline, something like best way to buy groceries. And for description, 1 hour after your order. Local, organic, convenient. And for the third one, let's just copy this one and create it. And once you do this, you can review the campaign and click on Save and Finish. And we have our first search ads on Google AdWords. Now, there are a lot of ways to optimize these ads, but the key to successful ad campaigns on Google AdWords, just like Facebook or any other channel, is constantly testing out different hypotheses and optimizing each of your campaigns based on the data that you see almost real time.